What if your anxiety and restlessness aren't weaknesses, but signals of your untapped power? The world constantly pulls at your attention, draining your energy and focus. Today, on International Youth Day, let's start a wellness revolution, not by managing stress, but by reclaiming your energy as your greatest asset. Your well-being is your foundation. It's time to take your power back. The revolution begins with stillness, a simple 2-minute reset. Twice a day, find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and just breathe. Don't force your mind to be empty, just stop feeding it new input. For 2 minutes, you're not reacting or planning. You're simply being. This micro-rebellion protects your focus and reminds you this moment is yours. It's the first step to building a fortress of calm and intention. Food isn't just fuel, it's information for your brain. Brain fog or mood swings. Your body's asking for better nutrients like omega-3s or magnesium. Choose walnuts, dark chocolate, or avocados to send your brain the right signals. Every healthy choice is a message. I need to be sharp and resilient. Empower yourself by fueling your mind for success. Movement changes your mind as much as your body. Before a challenge, stand tall in a power pose for 60 seconds, shoulders back, chest open. This simple act lowers stress hormones and boosts confidence. You're not just hoping to feel strong, you're creating it physically and mentally. Use your body to prime yourself for success. Practice the 2-minute reset daily, and it becomes your anchor. You train your mind to step back from chaos and choose where your focus goes. Notifications and worries lose their grip. You become the gatekeeper of your attention. Direct your energy into what matters: learning, relationships, creativity. You're no longer swept away by distractions. You're in control. That's a real superpower. As you tune into your nutrition, you notice how food shapes your mood and clarity. Meals become strategic, fuel for your ambitions, not just a routine. Choose foods that support your goals, like lean proteins and complex carbs before big challenges. When you master nutrition, you show up sharp, stable, and ready. Consistent, smart choices give you a real advantage. Intentional movement becomes part of your identity. Your posture and actions send powerful signals to your brain. Sit up, walk tall, make eye contact. Use movement to manage your state. A brisk walk, a confident stance. Your body language reflects your inner strength and self-belief. You don't just feel confident, you embody it. Stillness, nutrition, and movement, together they create true empowerment. It's not about one big win, but the small daily choices you make for yourself. Real achievement comes from inner strength, not just external validation. Empowerment is built through these revolutionary acts of self-care. You become resilient, clear, and calm, ready for anything. This is your power. This International Youth Day, join the DAR Wellness Revolution with one small act. Try the 2-minute reset, add a brain food, or practice a power pose, then share your commitment below. Your action inspires others and starts a chain reaction of empowerment. Let's build a movement that lasts beyond today, supporting each other to thrive. I'm Ola. Thanks for starting this revolution with me. Subscribe for more ways to not just survive, but truly thrive.